densely populated part of the province. Seismologists placed the epicenter near Victoria.
Felt over a very, very wide area. It's the strongest shaking in this region for the past 15 years.
Intense shaking lasts for over 30 seconds.
For years, governments have been warning people to brace for the big one. Wear an earthquake kit and have the gear to survive for at least 3 days.
Get stage to come out, please come out.
You are actually ready.
That kit's not going to help me. What's the kit going to do if my apartment collapses?
I've been wanting to get one for a long time, I just haven't gotten around to it.
We are somewhat prepared when we emergency kit.